I am Nicole Crowder, and I am a furniture designer and an upholsterer, and I'm also a photo director. And so I work at this axis of storytelling through visual narratives. And with furniture design, I get to share stories and narratives through the beautiful work of patterns and textiles and vintage furniture to sort of relay my history, as well as making these modern heirlooms to continue the lineage of other families. When I was first approached about the triennial, I already had a couple of ideas, and Hadiya and we've been friends for a long time. We had worked really closely together, and so this was a really great way to crystallize that idea. We were thinking about our ancestors, we were thinking about our mediums of upholstery and surface design and ceramics, and a way to bring those worlds together. The only issue, I think, was trying to narrow down the ideas, because this is such an exciting platform to be able to showcase our histories, merge those together, and also, hopefully with intention, reflect the histories of the people we're also showcasing. It was a no-brainer. It was more so figuring out how to condense all that into a space, and be able to tell that story successfully. I go back to, within my practice with upholstery, the markers of success have shifted over time, but what stood out really is being able to, especially dealing with modern heirlooms from families or from individuals, being able to listen to someone's story, figure out the textiles and the patterns that work to give new life to this piece, and seeing how that touches someone else so much that you've made something that continues their family lineage. Thinking about this piece that you've crafted with your hands is now a part of someone else's lineage, for however long. It's taken on a whole new meaning for me, I think, in terms of that collaboration in design. It's not just about my vision, it's also working in tandem with the piece, with the history, with the individual that I'm making it with, and being able to have that person receive it in a way that was even more significant than we were initially collaborating. That, to me, is good design, where there's story, there's purpose, there's service to it, as well as the beauty of the aesthetic and the craft itself.